Why does everything fall down? That's gravity, an invisible force pulling everything toward the center of the Earth. Watch, an apple and a feather. The apple wins the race, but it's not gravity slowing the feather down. It's the air holding it up. On the moon, there's no air at all, and they land at the same time. Here's a trick from a scientist named Galileo. A big, heavy ball and a small, light one dropped from a tall tower. Land together. Heavy things do not fall faster. And astronauts on the space station? They're not free from gravity. They're falling around the Earth all the time. That's what floating in orbit really is. But if you could stand on Jupiter, the biggest planet, you'd weigh 2.5 times more. Even an apple would feel heavy. But wait! If air can hold up a feather, can it hold up a whole airplane? Find out next time.